Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. All right, I have another update video on a project that I am truly in love with that I think is going to do insane gains this bull run. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about SPX 6969. That's right. I love the narrative. And like I said before in all my videos, there's three coins in this narrative that I am loading up heavily on. One is SPX 6969. The other is Doge. And the other one is XPX 6900. They are absolutely amazing narratives. The whole thing about putting the power in the hands of the people, flipping the stock market. And like I said, so what I'm trying to do is find low cap projects or projects that are up and coming. Okay, so that's what I see when I look at SPX 69 because the narrative is there. Okay, it has a precedence from SPX 6900 and Doge. Okay, so I mean basically, we can come over here and look really quick just at the SPX 6900 chart, and we're at a $1.57 billion market cap. Okay, fantastic. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. And you can kind of come over here and look at the Doge or the DJ16930 token, which I absolutely love. I love their look. I love their style. I love their logo. I love everything about them. It's an amazing project. Sitting at a $45 million market cap. Okay. Big narrative. Okay. Just about flipping the institutions, right? So I love the narrative. That's all I'm going to say. So coming back over here to the SPX 6969 website, like I said, they just got listed on CoinMarketCap. They just got listed on CoinGecko. So they're working. I mean, so this isn't just some fly-by-night coin that's, here to, pull out liquidity and dump. Like, they're investing money for the long haul. Like, it costs a lot of money. I don't know if you guys know. It costs like $5,000 or $6,000 to get listed on CoinMarketCap. And I don't know. Don't quote me on this, but it's like $2,000 or $3,000 maybe to get listed on CoinGecko. Like, it's a big investment. And so these guys are going the extra mile and they're doing this stuff because, well, they're here for the long haul. So like I said, I'd love to hear your thoughts on SPX 6969. They've recently just had a nice retracement, so it's a great entry. Like I said, so I'm loading up, and I love their graphics. I love their logo. I love their style. I love this bowl. And like I said, I really do love the artwork. So, like I said, not financial advice though. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, what I think, and what I'm investing in, and this narrative. And that's why I keep saying these three coins. SPX 6969, Doge, okay, and SPX 6900 are going to make insane gains. Don't sleep on these three projects, okay? Now, why do I like SPX 6969 the best? Well, the potential, right? The potential is there because of the market cap. Now, this launched, I think maybe 2 weeks ago, and it had an insane rally. It ran all the way up to right around, I think it hit like $6.5 million. And it had some sell off. The markets really tanked. Bitcoin went down to like, 113K. Everybody was freaking out. Everybody was pulling liquidity. Like, it just happens, right? And so it has run all the way down here to like, I think a 650K market cap. And it's right now back to $1 million market cap. Okay, so it's holding really well at $1 million. It's kind of like the new floor. And from here, like I said, it's trading at sideways. There's great buys. There's new investors coming in. And I really, really see the potential in this thing because, like I said, just to kind of give you perspective, like this is $1 million market cap. So, like I said, for it to get to the levels right now of Doge, I mean, that's a 45x. And believe me, I believe SPX 6969 will get to $100 million market cap. I do believe that. So I think SPX 6969 is a true 100x project because of the narrative they're tapping into. Now, Doge, they're the second mover, right? So it's SPX 6900. They're already up there. They're at like a $1.5 billion market cap. I can easily see SPX 6900 doing maybe a 4 or 5x. Not bad gains. I could easily see Doge going and doing, I could see it also probably doing a 50x. I could see this going into a $2.5 billion market cap. Should the markets continue to perform well, this could do amazing. Okay, so I think we could see on SPX 6900, we could see an easy 3, 4, 5x. I think on Doge, we could easily see a 20, 30, 40, 50x. And I think just because of the market cap and size, SPX 6969 is a true 100x potential, if not even more. Because trust me, if SPX 6900 gets to, let's say, a 8 or 9 or $10 billion market cap, if Doge goes to, let's say, a billion or $2 billion market cap, there's no reason that SPX 6969 can't go to, let's say, even close to $1 billion market cap. So, or even a $500 million market cap. So that would be a 500 to 1,000x from here. $100 million market cap would be a 100x from here. Insane gains, right? Life-changing money. That's putting in $1,000, turning $1,000 into, potentially 100, 200, 500, or even possibly $1 million if this would go to $1 billion market cap. It is truly in the realm of possibility. So that's why I'm loading up, and that is why I'm investing in all three. It's not that I don't like the other ones better. It's just I like the market cap better. Like, this has already had some insane pumps. I know people that got in at like a 400K market cap. So 400K market cap to a $45 million market cap. I mean, they've already made those insane gains. And now, don't get me wrong, there's still insane gains to be made here, but I want to leverage my money. That's why I said. So for me as an investor, I would throw $1,000 in SPX 6900. I would throw $1,000 in Doge, and I would throw to probably play it out. I would probably throw $2,000 in SPX 6969 if I was starting out fresh, because the potential is there. Lower market cap, insane gains to be had because they're tapping into a narrative. And now I'm playing the odds. So if I had a couple $1,000s in SPX 6969 and this thing does 100, a 200, a 500x, I've made $1 million, right? And if Doge does a 50x and my $1,000, this has turned into, $50,000. Insane gains. Absolutely amazing money. So I'm not dogging any of these projects. I think the narrative is there, and I'm investing in all three. But for me, I like lower market cap projects because there's more potential gains to be made on the way up. And that's why I'm just tapping into this narrative with these three coins. So like I said, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you think. But for me, I'm incredibly bullish because, like I said, these have been listed. Just going to show you here. There we go. Right here, 6969. It is now on Coin Market Cap. Freaking fantastic, and it's up 67% today alone, so that's absolutely phenomenal. So I absolutely love it. And just to kind of show you guys that it is on CoinGecko as well. So when you type in SPX, look here, you instantly come up here, SPX 6969. So we're right there in the list of all the others, which is fantastic. We're getting great exposure. This project has huge potential. Like I said, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, but I really do like this one just because of the market cap, because of where it's at and the narrative that they're tapping into. So everybody, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and make sure you follow us on X. Go over and join our free Telegram chat. No risk, all reward. And if you want to take it to that next level, join our VIP Telegram chat. It's amazing over there. Great people, great community, sharing great ideas and talking about amazing projects like SPX 6969 way before you see these videos. So everybody, have a great day. Don't forget to smile. Pick up some SPX 6969, and I'm pretty sure we'll see you on the moon. Take care, everybody.